In the ever-expanding world of language learning apps, Falou has emerged as a notable contender, especially for those aiming to enhance their speaking skills quickly. Launched by Moimer, Falou emphasizes practical conversation and pronunciation, setting it apart from many traditional language apps. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Let's delve into the features, strengths, and areas for improvement to determine if Falou is the right choice for your language learning journey. What is Falou? Falou is a language learning application designed to help users speak a new language confidently and rapidly. It offers courses in over 25 languages, including Spanish, French, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese. The app focuses on real-life scenarios, enabling learners to practice conversations they might encounter in everyday situations, such as ordering food, booking a hotel, or attending a job interview. Key features. Speaking from day one. Falou encourages users to start speaking immediately, utilizing AI-driven pronunciation tools to provide instant feedback. Real-life scenarios. Lessons are based on practical situations, enhancing the relevance and applicability of the language learned. Personalized learning paths. The app adapts to the user's proficiency level and learning pace, ensuring a tailored experience. Vocabulary and grammar support. While the emphasis is on speaking, Falou also incorporates vocabulary builders and grammar explanations to support comprehensive learning. User experience and interface. Falou boasts a user-friendly interface with a clean design, making navigation intuitive even for those less tech-savvy. The app structure allows learners to track their progress, revisit challenging words, and access review lessons to reinforce learning. Pricing. Falou operates on a freemium model. Users can access a limited number of lessons for free with the option to upgrade to a premium subscription for full access. As of 2025, the premium subscription is priced at $9.99 per month, offering unlimited access to all language lessons and new content. Pros and cons. Pros. Immediate speaking practice. The app's focus on speaking from the outset helps build confidence and fluency. Practical content. Lessons based on real-life situations enhance the relevance of the language learned. Adaptive learning. Personalized lessons cater to individual proficiency levels and learning speeds. User-friendly interface. The clean design and intuitive navigation enhance the overall user experience. Cons. Limited free content. The free version offers only a few lessons, necessitating a subscription for comprehensive access. Pronunciation feedback accuracy. Some users have reported issues with the app's pronunciation recognition, leading to frustration during speaking exercises. Grammar depth. While grammar is included, it may not be as in-depth as some learners require for advanced proficiency. User feedback. User reviews for Falou are generally positive, with many praising its focus on speaking and practical application. However, some users have noted technical issues, particularly with the speech recognition feature, which occasionally fails to accurately assess pronunciation. Is Falou worth it? Falou is a valuable tool for language learners who prioritize speaking and practical conversation skills. Its user-friendly design and real-life scenario-based lessons make it particularly suitable for beginners and intermediate learners seeking to improve their speaking confidence. However, those aiming for advanced proficiency or requiring in-depth grammar instruction might find it beneficial to supplement Falou with other resources. Final verdict. If your goal is to quickly enhance your conversational skills in a new language, Falou offers an effective and engaging platform to achieve that. Its emphasis on speaking from the start sets it apart from many competitors, making it a worthwhile investment for learners focused on practical communication.